What's the meaning of caregiver? Caregiver. Caregiver.
Caregiver. Caregiver. A caregiver is someone who provides assistance and support to individuals who are unable to care for themselves due to age, illness, or disability. Caregivers may assist with daily activities such as bathing, dressing, and eating, as well as provide emotional support and companionship. They may also help with medication management and transportation to appointments. Caregiving can be a demanding and rewarding role, and caregivers may include family members, friends, or professional healthcare providers. The goal of caregiving is to ensure that individuals can maintain their independence and quality of life while receiving the necessary support.